times because there's lots of water on the road, which means the car aquaplanes. And there's still people overtaking me. I'm keeping it steady 60, 100 kilometers per hour. Some people are doing much more than me. When there's big puddles on the road, car aquaplanes. My friend Aslam taught me, and Andreas, Millie. I said, what do I do when my car slides in the heavy rain, aquaplaning? And Aslam said, put your foot down on the clutch. And I never knew that. Look, this car in front is overtaking. You just overtake. I'm going to get overtaken again now, look. I'm not a slow driver. I want to be safe with me and my daughter. These are going very slow. I will overtake these, so we're going right down now. I just feel for my dad and the Harley Club. They're out there on bikes right now. My poor dad, he's 77 years old. Digger Dave's in his 70s. Terry just coming up to 70. Mother and Ian just under 70. And they're out there in this rain right now, but they love it. Look at the mountains over there. This is proper torrential rain driving, everybody. Danny Slugget Vision with my daughter Star, she's resting. Look at the mountains. And 100 kilometers per hour. We get a relief from the rain as we go into the tunnel. Yeah, a little bit of relief. Austria. Back to the rain. Shine on, everybody. This is what road trips are all about. Everybody, let's go up to the top of that mountain.